Before I knew your voice, I prayed your heart. Through quiet nights, though miles apart, I asked the Lord for someone true, and all along He made you new. Before I saw your face, I knelt and cried, Lord, send the one to walk beside. Through every season, dark and new, He wrote this day and led me to you. I pray for you, you pray for me. Before our hearts had eyes to see, now faith and love have found their place. Two souls made one by boundless grace. I prayed for you. Through waiting years, my hope stayed near. Each whispered prayer brought heaven here. Now standing close, I see
And he took it.
it's true.
When supper was ended, he took the chalice.
And brought me you. The nights were long, but I still believe His promise more than I could see. Now every breath my heart knows who. I waited all my life for you. I pray for you, you pray for me. Before our hearts had eyes to see, now faith and love have found their place. Two souls made one by boundless grace. I prayed for you. Every tear was not in vain, every weight was worth the pain. He wrote our story line by line and called it wholly yours and mine. I pray for you, pray for me. Every vow we speak is true. God,
And first is our human.
Hindi ng papatay. Kailangan sila. Sunod sila. May dala nila.
Tigsutan mo lang. Natuto naman ito. Reform mo na.
I am so happy and blessed that I can call you. Yet in the middle of the darkness, our Lord, let me my father and my life. And God answered my prayer by giving me.
First, I thank God
I've dreamed 1,000 times before of you in white, standing at the door, holding flowers in your hands, walking slowly, step by step. Every moment led us here, through every joy and every tear. We crossed the storms, we faced the rain, but love remained, it never changed. Now you're standing here, right in front of me, a vision more than I could ever dream. You said the best is yet to come, it's true, but my love, the best is simply you. Loving you's the greatest thing I've done. Loving you's the luckiest I've won. Through mountains high and valleys low, we've seen the stars, we've watched them glow. Every step side by side, you're my heart, my love, my guide. Every moment led us here, through every joy and every tear. We crossed the storms, we faced the rain, but love remained, it never changed. Now you're standing here, right in front of me, a vision more than I could ever dream. You said the best is yet to come, it's true, but my love, the best is simply you. Loving you's the greatest thing I've done. Loving you's the luckiest I've won. Hand in hand we'll chase the sun, through endless days our love's begun. And if forever's just a word, then let's rewrite it with our world. Now you're
Tulog si
standing
Hyacin.
here, right in front of me, a vision more than I could ever dream. You said the best is yet to come, it's true, but my love, the best is simply you. Loving you's the greatest thing I've done. Loving you's the luckiest I've won. I've dreamed 1,000 times before, but today I dream no more. For now, my love, my dream is you, and every day it's
si Alex. Kaya isa-isa na akong anak nga naminyo na gid siya.
Isa ka din siya. Okay, kay mo kasi atag sa Ginoo. Murag 12 maghatag next. Okay, so tapos quick trivia. Yun sa pagsugod 5 billion. Yun sa pagsugod ni Didi. Yun sa
Inyong married life isintro sa atong Ginoo.
Wow,
Saksi kami ani kay several times adto ni sila magtapok-tapok sa among balay dito sa Iligan. Magtapok ni sila, magsugod ni sila sayo sa gabi. Mahuman po ni sila sayo pod kayo. Sayo buntag. Sapa na kay ni sila magbukyaw na. Nya di gyud kalikaya nga makabatabi kay ato
I-congratulate mo na nato ang atong newed. Si Alex and Rizami. So, pwede tayong sige to. Congratulations! Congratulations!
Okay, after picture na, nagbigamay na pamuhatan sa inyo ha guys ha. Okay, sige. Okay, walkie. Okay. So this time, simple lang ang atong elimination round. Okay, atong elimination round. Kaya kayo, one song na ta ha. Atong ipatry sa daan ng couple mo. Sayang ang couple, so ibig sabihin, down pa. Di na ba ako practicean? Okay. Yan, sus, dali na kaayo siya. Visa kids sa pwede at... Alright. Alam, pinapangit ba kayo mabilis? Naog sa mo. Okay, gentlemen. Mga gentlemen. Okay, tanaw na ito dito sila sa mga steppings. Pero actually, pwede rin ito. Okay, freestyle, come on. Dili natin may mga mandiskuhay sa barangay for barangay. Ang magpabilin sa pag-decide sa mo. Okay, ready na? Eliminate ang duha. Ikaw mag-eliminate sa duha ka babae. Okay, tapos ikaw mag-eliminate sa duha ka lalaki. So ladies and gentlemen, mga kapamilya, mga kapuso. Last viewing, i-check pa. I-check, gusto pa nila may bawal pa rin. Huwag pa nila nakita. Hindi may bawal na pag-viewer. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, na sila decision. Mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, mga kapatid. Ang dalawa nominado. Ang dalawa na hindi safe. Okay. Ikaw mag-decision sa lalaki. Ikaw din sa babae mag-eliminate. Or ang winner na inyong pilihan, eliminate sa ta. Eto na. Eliminate sa nato ang duha. Uunahin din natin. AG and Ben. Mananatili na. Oh my God! Sa mga babae! Ang evicted ngayong gabi.
So, we unanimously decided we will eliminate Jen. Who will be So, can you close eyes each other? Hold hands together. So, we unanimously evicted. Hannah will be evicted.
Okay, thank you so much. Si Alex ug si Risa, sila po'y nainani. Kaya sila ang nabilin nga singles, then sila po ang nabilin, and now, sila ang next na kikasal. And maybe, Lay and Charnel. Okay, we have Charnel. How young are you? 34. And, okay, Lay.
18, and that was 18.
20 years ago. Okay, so, syempre, magkakalihan ang edad, 1989, 1988. 1988. Amo na magbilangan na. Pero 30 plus Japon. Okay, so closer sa mga pictures at isa. Okay? Together. O, saka mo duha yan. Aww. Okay, dili ka, pikas ka ni. Dili ka, pikas. Pikas ka ni, dili ka pikas. Okay. Everybody! Wala pa nangyayari. Okay, may chemistry. Okay, hold hands, kay para-pareha sa pikas. Like that. Okay. Ay, grabe ang mga fans! Can we say congratulations? Uy, mas gusto nila congratulations kasi sa couple ko kanina. Lahig mo, gusto ninyo diretso tayo. Wala pa. Okay, sige. This time, as part of the tradition is, okay, awaton ni new napili na to na singles na to, si Alex, okay, at si Riza. So now may 3 ka-best positions. Okay? So para sa picture. Okay, awat, ready? 5 seconds ha, 5 seconds. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 5 seconds and 3, 2, 1, go! 5! Akabot! Dili mo! Akabot! Ana! Akabot! Okay, ayaw ko mag-ihap. Ready? 1! Gratitude to one another. Okay, you can have your beso or kiss or hug. Okay? Sige na. Okay, last part na rin ta. Nasa may boto sa couple pag ilahila sa mga kay mga tanak ko kung asa siya nag-kilay. Wow, number ni Facebook. Ang importante kayo na siya mga number niya. Like nasa bar lang sila. Okay, ikaw dito. Okay, so dito ha. June, taktakan po at Arthur gamit ang ipon. May tapot mo, wala naman ni siya, di ba? Magaling ka, basta nga, by December, gender reveal na. Sayo ang sexy dance agad. Guys, we're going to witness the sexy dance of Mr. Alexander Paul. One, two, come on, sexy dance! Jeffrey, sulod na ni Alex ang iyang ulo. Ang iyang ulo. Lahit pa rin ang ulo ha. Lahit pa rin ang ulo. Ay. Ulo. Dapat mo na ako kanya. Isulod yun siya. Ako kini mo ulo. Isulod kini mo ulo. Pero sulod ka magbalik siya. Diba? Come on. Sa ilalim na okay na. Yan, baka na siya, Alex. Baka na yan. Taas natin. And this time. Okay, here we go. Ladies. Oh, seryoso kayo sila sa mga getting to know each other, ha? So, ladies. Naihatan si Alex. Okay. So, Alex, nauna ka, Alex. So, karon, ay mo ba ito wala kang kakita. Ipon. Okay? So, may pataon ni mo, diya, tapos ito so, ayun ka mag-ipon, pasaka na yun. Okay? Tapos pasaka pa sa paa. Paagi siya, ano si Alex, tapos dilo sa diri. Masaksak yun. Sige, ready na. Masayo sa kag-sexy dance. Come on, Leg! Bring it on! Muluhod na sila. Tayo ipon tayo pasakan. Walang pa na higher. Isa pa. Higher pa yun. Higher pa. Higher. Last na lang. Mga 3 inches. Come on. And there you have it. Palakpakan natin. Okay. So, everybody say congratulations. Ihatod sa siya ay siyang bangko na yan. Ihatod po siya sa kahangturan. And you know what? Delay na lang ang sa barkada sa Barao ang wala pa naminyo. And before listening to the words of gratitude from our newlyweds, please settle down, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to witness a special...
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. I'm not a took the long way. one, you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of, still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one, ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They say out there they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one, I'm still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of, still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of, still the one I kiss goodnight. You're still the one.
Singing, okay, the Buenas Smith. And also,
Ampuan din mo na ihurot na karon Lord ug dili na. Pero nasubra ko si Lord. Grabe ko kainit. So, we thank also for the food by Wynn's Kitchen. Grabe ka awesome na foods na ilang i-serve. And then for the photo and videos, ever after diary, kang sa event stylist si Sir Jorel. Thank you guys, Sir Jorel, for meeting this setup na nice yung kayo, presentable yung kayo, and makaingon min in planning and making it happen. And then
Ginagmayra. Then, sa ako katong mga ako, so mga stress out ko na atay, pero dili ra halata, kay wala nagpahalata. Dayon, kanang thankful po ko kay sa mga suppliers, which is question mark sa ako kay wedding ba ang istoryahan. So, mutong sila nag-help sa ako sa pag-manage and everything. Then, usahin po ako, gusto ko mag-hands-on sa wedding, miskin, kabalo ko medyo busy.
alright! Palakpakan naman natin! Uy!
So, gin-message ako siya, October, pwede ba kang i-bakante mo yung schedule para sa kuha, as in, go Lelex! I will go there, Lelex! Thank you kay Joel.
Yes, of course. And thank God na wala na-cancel akong flight yesterday. Gikan pa ko sa Tuguegarao. So I had my 1 week there sa St. Paul University. And then, travel na po tayo yun. Okay, so just to be here with our friend. Okay, and syempre, nakita na po ni Riza dito sa, nakuratan siya kaya ako ni Chairman sa Board of Judges dito sa Miss Grand Nursing sa Capital University. So, mo na ang host. Diba? Magkalit-kalit lang. Mo na host. And also, yung Culinarics, ayoko bayarihan, hindi ako mababayad, basta friends. Okay? Pero, iyan ko gidalaan o Dior. Ay, thank you. Okay, so even kami ni Romel, we experienced also a very wonderful program Diba, Ramel? We've been together also with Ramel and also wala ko muna ka-grab sa inyong phone kaganina to take a video and picture. You can do so. And don't forget our official hashtag, #AlexCollusively meant for Riza. And this time, are you ready for the grand finale? The 10-second kiss. Okay? And then, let's make some noise. Magpalakpakan tayo. Okay, at sabayan niyo po ako. Okay? Ready? Once again, congratulations to the both of you. In 3, 2, 1!